Napesa ko sa'yo. Oo, it was a really busy day. May reward ka.
Okay. Alright.
Sweet Tooth, our segment is named Sweet Tooth. So, syempre, Sweet Tooth bibigyan namin sa'yo kahit medyo sugar-free siya. Kahit sugar-free siya, dapat
Hindi, panalo yan.
sweet pa rin.
Panalo yan.
Okay?
Sugar-free is the best.
Favorite, balita ko, favorite dessert mo to.
Okay.
Sugar-free cheesecake.
Ay! Panalo. Alam ko mismo kung saan nanggaling to.
Alam mo yan? Okay.
Kapag ganito, hindi ko kinakain yung crust. It's just the topping. And then the mismo.
Bakit ayaw mo yung crust? Or it's
Kasi-
healthier without the crust?
It's healthier without the crust.
Ngayon may mga trivia ako sa'yo. You collect motorcycles and cars?
I'm very obsessed with motorcycles. Yung cars medyo secondary.
You ride them? You
Yes.
use them?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cars.
Wala naman akong collection ng cars.
But you just like cars?
It's just that may pagkakataon lang na may sasakyan na pang-trabaho, pang-date, tsaka may pangharabas. Yung ganon.
Okay. Eto, kapag may surprise ka daw kay Juday, awayin mo muna siya, why?
But si Juday kasi has mastered the art of shutting up pag mainit ulo ko. And then, about a few hours after, that's the only time she'll talk. So, ang problema nun, panahon na yon, si Ate Sharon was organizing a surprise party.
Mhm.
Ang problema, ang kakonsyaba ni Sharon, mga barkada rin namin. And kailangan ilayo ko siya doon sa circle na yon para hindi niya talaga alam kung ano nangyayari. Okay? So pag sinabi kong, magdi-dinner tayo kasama itong grupong ito, ang automatically, si Juday, iti-text niya, hey, I'll see you later. Ayoko mabuko. So, wala na akong maisipang lusot. Inaway ko na lang siya para tumahimik na lang siya at sumama sa akin.
That is so bad.
Diba?
Parang siya, bad and sweet at the same time.
Yeah, ang pa nun, matagal na kami hindi nag-aaway eh.
So parang, bago to.
In her mind, what is going on? Ba't ako'y naaway nito? Anong issue? Yun.
Never mind, successful
Successful
naman.
naman, natuwa naman siya eh.
So okay na yun. This is not the only surprise, ha? May isa pa kaming dessert para sa'yo. Nagaling naman sa Alaska.
Okay.
It's called Yema Squares. Surprise.
Surprise! Alam ko na kung sino kakain ito.
Sino?
Yun yung
Iuwi
mga
mo yan.
ninang dyan, oh.
Iuwi mo yan. Okay.
Mhm.
Try ko ito muna.
Sige. Pwede bang kwento mo na lang sa akin yung lasa?
Okay, pwede rin naman.
Mga next week ko
Nililitan
pa pwede
yan.
kainin yun. Pero I love
Parang
it.
surprise na lang siya para sa akin.
I love the smell of pastry. Pastry and bread, ang bango-bango lagi.
Yan ang girls.
Di ba pag
Tastes
nagchichikahan, girls night out, Friday nights,
Over dessert
Over
all
dessert.
the time. Anyways, sarap! Ang Yema Squares naman na ito na galing sa Alaska ay para sa mga misis ng tahanan na naghahanap ng additional income dahil pwedeng-pwede itong gawing negosyo. Yema Squares, yema with a twist na lalong pinasarap ng Alaska kondensada. Siguradong patok na patok sa inyong mga kapitbahay, kaibigan, kamag-anak. At dahil ang Alaska kondensada ay 36.60 lang bawat 300 ml or 387 grams, makakatipid kayo sa inyong negosyo, pero panatag naman kayo sa sarap nito dahil sa Alaska. To know more about this Alaska dessert, just log on to www.alaskamilk.com.ph. Tipid at lasa, nasa Alaska. And we have something for you. Alaska has something for you, Ryan. It's a gift back from Alaska.
Oh,
Enjoy.
thank you very much.
Enjoy. Sa pagbabalik ng spoon, si Ryan naman daw ang may surprise para sa atin. We'll be back. Bagay na may kwento. At sigurado ako na may kwento din ang slice of life ni Ryan para sa spoon.
Okay, Miss Janice, this is my slice of life that I will give to you.
Mhm.
Meron din akong cooking show noon called
Okay.
Kiss the Cook. So, ito yung isa sa mga apron na ginamit ko. So, depende na lang sa iyong mood at pinagdadaanan for the day. May mga may mga captions siya.
Okay, all by my lonesome.
All by my lonesome. Halimbawa, ang drama mo ay umiiyak ka
Malungkot ka,
habang
oh.
naghihiwa ka ng sibuyas.
Oh, all by my lonesome is
Oo.
good.
Eh, yung dinner guest mo dumating na. Ayan na, pwede mo siyang baliktarin.
Not anymore.
Yan, so here you go.
This is so cute. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And I have something for you.
Okay.
Maganda to. This is for you.
Okay.
Okay, you're
Am I
supposed to open it, ha?
Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
Ang galing. Gusto ko nito. Natutuwa ako sa kanya. And guess what? Blue is
Hoy!
my favorite color.
Macho na ba dating ko pag ganito?
Oh, para habang nakasakay ka sa motorcycle mo, Baliktad yata eh. Parang, baliktad ba? Tama, may design eh.
Ay, oo nga.
May design. So, habang nag-drive ka ng bike mo, okay, not that one. No.
Meron ba dito?
Meron
Ay,
pa.
ano
Yun yung
ito?
nilalagay dito para terno.
Aha! Para hindi mangitim.
Terno, yes.
Ay, yun.
Ay, isa lang?
Isa lang.
Para
Meron
one
dito.
lang. Para cool. Isa lang. Yan. Oh. Wow, you're a certified hip-hopper.
Actually, yeah, I wear beanies. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Kasi siya yung ano eh, para anti-helmet hair.
Oh, anti-helmet hair?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is also for you.
Uy, what are
These
those?
are Net25 stickers and Net25 may
Thank you very
access
much.
SIM card.
Thank you
Okay.
very much.
And syempre,
Sarap
this
ng
one
mga
is
guest dito, may
nice.
chibog ka na.
Oh, this one is nice. Okay,
Ooh.
this is always nice to give away.
Uy, yeah.
Cupcakes. I told you, sweets.
Yeah,
Eh.
yeah.
Sweets are the
Ano?
best.
Alam mo,
Ano?
sinusubukan ko hindi tumingin sa cupcakes tuwing napapadaan ako dyan.
See, diba?
Puro nga chicks ang mga
Ano
nandyan.
yung favorite mo sa kanila? I'm sure may favorite ka na. Kasi this is my favorite, this red velvet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one is
The
Soho cream
simplest
pie.
one. The simplest one.
Yung
With the
vanilla?
blue thing on top.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
Yung vanilla ang gusto mo. Ako
Yun.
gusto ko maarte. Babae ako
Yeah.
maarte ang gusto ko eh.
Ako.
The best, cupcakes by Sonia.
Alam mo, tapos to kay Juday.
Oh, she's gonna love this.
Tapos yan. Tapos
Oo,
ang usapan. Thank
I'm
you very
sure.
much. Subukan ko paabutin sa mami ko, pero malamang kay Juday lang. Tapos na to. Thank you very much. But
That's very good.
I have a couple of gifts also
Oh,
for
may
you.
exchange gift.
Exchange gift from Boardwalk.
Wow,
Here
thank
go.
you so
A lot
much.
of stuff in there.
May I?
Go
Oh,
ahead,
there's so
please.
many things. Meron sana akong bubuksan pero I don't think I can open it on air. Ayan.
Yeah.
I have slippers. It's so cute.
Flip-flops and, you know.
Sana hindi agawin ng mga anak ko. No, kasi slipper siya eh. Maagaw yan sa amin, no? Tama-tama, I need new slippers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Hope enjoy
Porto. Okay, may
Salamat.
exchange gift talaga kami. And I have another gift.
Aba, ang dami naman.
From Jim's Coffee. Jim's 5-in-1 Coffee, that is for you.
Ba? Uy, libre ako ulit next week. Pwede mo
Free ka ulit next week.
Ang dami na naman. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thank you very much.
I enjoyed.
Thank you.
Enjoyed.
And
Sobrang saya.
pwede ba kitang maimbitahan?
Okay, saan
August
to?
29.
Mhm.
Kayo po, yung mga nanonood ng Spoon, August 29, I'd like to invite you to My Kuya's Wedding. Pelikula po ito ni Maha Salvador. And ako yung kuya, siya yung Mai.
Okay.
It's a Regal production. Regal baby na rin ako. So, yung mga bumati po mga kaibigan ko, kasi sila po yung mga kasama ko. Si Pauline Luna, si Dominic Ochoa, si Maha Salvador, kasama rin namin sila. Tito Dick Israel, Ethel Buba, at marami pang iba. Si Ryan Liana is there also, Janice Del Prado, and Icy Mendoza. So, August 29, My Kuya's Wedding. It's for the family, and yun po. Sana magkita-kita tayo sa mga sinehan.
Okay, once again, thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you,
It's
Ms.
nice
Denise.
having you here.